In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or sync Google Calendar to Slack. Connecting these two tools is a great way to make sure you never miss a meeting and can see your schedule without leaving Slack. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, and explain what you're seeing so you can follow along easily. Start by opening Slack on your desktop. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main sidebar with channels, direct messages, and other options. Look for the section where you can access administrative or workspace tools. Depending on your permissions and layout, this might appear as an admin option or a menu with workspace settings. Go ahead and click on that to open the admin area. Once you're in the admin or workspace settings view, look for the option labeled Apps and Workflows. This is where Slack lets you manage integrations, automations, and third-party apps. Click on Apps and Workflows to move into the App Management section. Here, you should see a way to explore available apps, often shown as a Browse button or a link to the app directory or marketplace. Click on Browse. This will open Slack's app marketplace, where you can search for integrations to add to your workspace. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, start typing Calendar. As you type, Slack will show you matching apps. Look specifically for the official Google Calendar app. This is an integration developed to connect your Google Calendar account directly to Slack, so you can see events, get reminders, and even respond to invitations without leaving Slack. When you see Google Calendar in the search results, click on it to open the app's details page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the integration can do, the permissions it needs, and any notes from Slack. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the official Google Calendar app. Next, click on the Add to Slack button. This starts the installation process. If you're not a workspace admin, you may see a prompt to request approval, in which case your Slack administrator will need to approve the app before you can continue. After clicking Add to Slack, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll be guided through the signing into your Google account, granting permission for Slack to access your calendar, and choosing which calendar to connect. Keep clicking through the prompts, confirming any permissions, until Slack confirms that